Hello again and good morning. First of all, I would like to say welcome to this seminar and thank you for coming. I'm presenting our group activities and our CCD project. The group started in 2012 with my thesis, PhD thesis entitled Sustainability in Post-Disaster Temporary Housing Management in Urban Areas, under supervising Dr. De La Fuente and Dr. Pons. Then Dr. Maria del Mar Casanova joined to the group. The important part of our group is our PhD candidates and our master students. The main objective of this group is post-disaster housing management and sustainability with considering innovation and creativity. In this regard, we have different experts in the different fields. We use the different models and softwares to achieve our goals. We have done some projects and publications that I would like to explain a little about some of them. For example, we designed a model for assessing sustainability of the temporary housing technology. We have a model, multi-criteria decision-making model for selecting most suitable site location of the temporary housing. We designed a model combination of the knapsack algorithm and MIVES multi-criteria decision-making method, which has been created by Professor Antonio Aguado and the other REST project. Almost we finished a project. It's a sustainability-based model for dealing with the uncertainties in post-disaster temporary housing. The other project, this ongoing project, is occupational risk in conventional housing and post-disaster housing. We have two projects with a research group in the Loughborough University in UK. One is interaction of sustainability and resiliency, and the other one is about assessing earth-bag technology for the temporary housing. And also we're working on the humanitarian logistics. Our PhD candidates work on the different projects. For example, we have a project combination of the MIVES and BIM, Building Information Modeling for the post-disaster housing in the Mexico City. We have a project for reducing city air pollution by considering the building technology and construction. We have a PhD candidate that is working on the MIVES for optimizing the municipality budget. The other project with another PhD candidate is a multi-criteria approach for the sustainability assessment of a high-rise building. And we have another PhD candidate that is work with a combination of the MIVES and GIS, Geography Information System, to select the most suitable site location in Mashhad. It's a city in the northeast of Iran. For the project, we received funds from different groups, companies, NGOs. One of them is CCD. We got a project in 2017 in CCD to share our experiences, findings, and results with the Iranian party. In this regard, we had a different seminar, meeting with the universities, experts, NGOs in Iran. In this case, we collaborated with the Islamic Azad University, Housing Foundation, and Kermanshah Municipality. The next project that we got from the CCD is in 2018. It's about a Kermanshah. An earthquake happened in Kermanshah in 2017, November 12. And in this case, we received a budget from the CCD to study and analyzing the Kermanshah case. In this regard as well, we had different seminars, meetings with the experts, professors in the 4 universities last summer in Iran. And this seminar is part of this project with the CCD. And also, we considered disaster management after Kermanshah earthquake in 2017. We considered accommodation, water and sanitation, and also initial needs. And we are working on the technical assessment of the damaged and destroyed buildings, and we are developing a model for the humanitarian supply chain or humanitarian logistic to avoid waste resources that you can see in the pictures. Besides academic works, we established an academic research group as a smart architecture, but because of the short time, I would like to suggest you to see the website of the Smart Architecture for Humanity that we are working on 3 different lines: architecture, disaster management, and risk analysis. Based on all the activities that we had and we have, we detected some problems in the post-disaster housing management or post-disaster management in general. But to solve the problems, we need to collaborate with the other experts, the other professors, the other universities, and also the other investors to receive the funds for the project. But these problems, I would like to share some of them with you. For example, we found one of the main problems in this case is waste and debris management after natural disaster. The other one is a low efficiency of the NGO's activities. And the other one is the lack of new high technology solution for the post-disaster management. And also, we have different problems with second life of temporary housing that cause to lose a lot of resources. But the problems always exist. We are an academic group, and we have a different design proposal. In this regard, we are very welcome, and we are very interested to collaborating with the other universities, professors, and investors to continue our works and solve some problems. Thank you so much.